to another video. You are watching PhoneZone.ua with me, Karishma, and today we are going to talk about Nokia N73 out here. Talking about N73, we can say that this is also a good version out there when it was released back then. Early, well, not very early, but yes, early 2000s variant it could be said out. क्योंकि हम कह सकते हैं N73 बहुत ही ज़्यादा different kind of a version था, मतलब थोड़ा अलग था इसका look. Not from the front, but from the back. Definitely from the back, it had a different look out there. When we look at the back, it gives a feel of a normal camera phone. Normal camera actually. अगर हम ध्यान से देखें तो ये एक normal जो कैमरा होता था थोड़ा वैसा फील देता था, but still it's a very different version out there. Now let us talk about the specifications and everything about this variant so that it becomes easy. इसकी बात करें, अगर हम बात करें इस वेरिएंट की N73 की, तो अगर हम बात करें N73 की तो कह सकते हैं कि ये वेरिएंट, this variant was quite a heavy variant as compared to other Nokia versions. Why we say so? Nokia N73 is approximately 116 grams. Yes, it's above 115 grams, so we can say it's definitely slightly heavier out. Whereas when we talk about this variant, अगर हम बात करें इस वर्जन की, तो हम कह सकते हैं कि ये जो वेरिएंट है काफी ज्यादा एडवांस क्वालिटीज के साथ था इन 2060 if we talk about, especially 2060 में काफी ज्यादा इसमें एडवांसमेंट थी, like downloadable themes were there. It had got a okay capacity for the resolution, like 167 ppi density was there. It had a camera, it had expandability, so everything was seen out there. So advanced technology we can say. Now talking about advanced technology, we can say that this variant offers a simming operating system जो usually उन variants में ज़्यादा देखने को मिलता है Nokia के, which are for the transformations. Yes, जो transformations में ज़्यादा use होते हैं. Or revolution we can say revolution. These kind of variants usually have a simming operating system in Nokia variants. We're talking about expandability because it has a camera, it has got a selfie camera, it has got MP3 player, it has got multimedia, phone book entries, everything is there. So expandability is required because offering just 42 MB storage capacity is not sufficient. मतलब सिर्फ 42 MB storage capacity is definitely not sufficient. So you need expandability too. Now having the expandability gives you an advantage, because now you can have n number of multimedia storage capacity, offering you 3.15 megapixel camera, like approximately 3.2 we can say megapixel camera. It offers a good variety, 3.2 megapixel, or we can say specified with 3.15 megapixel camera out there. Whereas you get to see a different kind of a USB out there for multimedia. Is there a very different kind of a USB or a jack used out for multimedia? For the FM you can say that was really a different variant out here. Talking about this variant, we can say it offers you VGA camera out there. Yes, VGA camera out there. And this has a very different kind. This was specially designed for this kind of a variant where you used to have your stereo type speakers with a different kind of a USB. Now talking about this variant, we can say this variant offers you 1100 mAh battery. Yes, it is offering 1100 mAh battery, so this can be considered as a okayish variant because 1100 battery does not last up to the expected time it should. Like giving just 6 hours talk time is not definitely a very good versionality out there. Now talking about this variant, we can say it's available on n number of sites, but only few sites offers you a worth investing price. And one such site is this PhoneZone.ae. This site helps you to get your favorite gadgets in a very reasonable rates, pocket friendly rates. Not just one gadget, but n number of gadgets under the category of all mobile phones. And this search icon helps you to search your favorite gadget out here, so you can type your favorite gadget and search it out. So we are going to check this out. So this is the result out here for our search, and this is a description box which has all the specifications written. मतलब जितनी भी इसकी specifications and features हैं सब कुछ इसमें already mentioned है. As well as there is a condition written on the top that is refurbished condition. So let us talk about refurbished and know how is it different from other conditions and whether this product is worth investing or not. So we should know about this condition. So let us know about that. So let us talk about refurbished product. And when we talk about refurbished product, we can say that it's quite similar to brand new products. How we say so, मतलब क्यों हम ये कह रहे हैं? Because brand new मतलब is something absolutely new, which has been not used, which has been absolutely untouched. That is absolutely, we can say, new for us. But refurbished is something which is like creating something newly like. Yes, creating something newly like. Why we say so? Refurbished is creating something which was back then. Yes, मतलब जो पहले जैसा था उसे वैसा ही बना देना. It's called refurbished. Now, when we talk about refurbished and brand new, we can say that they are very similar in the structurality, functionality, because they are absolutely same. क्योंकि इनके टेस्टिंग के पैरामीटर्स सेम होते हैं, इनकी फंक्शनैलिटी सेम होती है, और बस एक ही डिफरेंस होता है. The major difference lies out is कि these refurbished products are pre-owned phones. Yes, these are pre-owned versions, whereas brand new are not pre-owned. Like जैसे ये ब्रांड न्यू की बात करें, उसमें 3 फेजेस होते हैं और सेम 3 फेजेस जो हैं हमारे होते हैं रिफर्बिश्ड में. ब्रांड न्यू इज फ्रॉम द कंपनी, मतलब बेस इज द कंपनी आउट देयर. उसके बाद वो मार्केट प्लेस में आता है, इट कम्स टू द मार्केट प्लेस, देन इट गोज टू द यूजर्स. यस, इट गोज टू द यूजर्स. तो ये हो जाता है हमारा ब्रांड न्यू का पैसेज. whereas this user becomes now the base. वो अब हमें बेस बन गया. Now it going back. Now they don't want to use that variant out here, that gadget. तो market place में आता है. They resell it, and then it is checked out, verified, everything is done, and it is packed as a newly like one. और फिर ये एक नए यूजर को दिया जाता है. So this is called refurbished product. Now talking about this product, we can say refurbished products में भी पैरामीटर्स होते हैं, टेस्ट होते हैं जो कि ब्रांड न्यू में होते हैं. लाइक चेकिंग द कनेक्टिविटी आउट देयर, देयर आउटर स्ट्रक्चर, इंटरनल फंक्शनैलिटी, बैटरी लाइफ हो गई, उनके हैंडसेट्स में क्या क्या है, साथ में कौन कौन सी एक्सेसरीज है, एवरीथिंग हैज टू बी चेक. लाइक अगर हम कनेक्टिविटी की बात करें तो कनेक्टिविटी में चाहे वो ब्लूटूथ हो, इसकी वाईफाई हो, सिम कनेक्टिविटी हो, एक्सलोमीटर हो, सेंसिटिविटी हो, फिंगरप्रिंट हो, कोई भी कनेक्टिविटी हो, वो सभी चेक किए जाते हैं. Whereas when we talk about the outer structurality, it includes the display, buttons, camera, audio, video, normal calling process out there, everything out there. Whereas internal operating systems is checked out. Internal मतलब जो बारीक चीजें जो होती हैं जो check out करते हैं, like the operating system, CPU, GPU, GPS out there, SIM recognition, data connectivity, colorization, it's data wiping out there. Everything, look, all the parameters which we read about any variant has to be checked. There are approximately 29 major parameters which are checked out with sub parameters out there. इन सबके सब parameters बहुत सारे होते हैं, but 29 are the major parameters out there. Now these 29 parameters are checked out, and when they are checked out, they are given a category which is known as refurbished or certified refurbished. Now what happens, what are the things which are involved in refurbished benefits? Because this offers you good quality products, good service products out there. It offers you really original parts are there. Everything is 100% genuine. Now when we talk about this product, what are the benefits of having refurbished over brand new? Number one is the savings. Yes, you get to have a savings. How you save in great amount? Like brand new, we know they are expensive, whereas refurbished are quite pocketable. Yes, refurbished products are quite pocketable out here, so you can save up to a great amount. Now, when we talk about savings and pocketable rates, we can say that brand new offers you 1 year warranty period. Yes, but when we pre-own any phone, when we own any phone which has been pre-owned, so उसकी warranty period usually it has reduced out. But when we check any product from the site and it has a condition return refurbished, it gets a warranty period of 6 months. मतलब 6 महीने की warranty period refurbished में आपको देखने को मिलती है. उसी के साथ आपको देखने को मिलता है you get to see 7-day exchange policy. Yes, you also get to have 7-day exchange policy. So these are the benefits of having a refurbished product. because these are profitable, gives you savings, they have warranty period, and if you they are not approximately a good product for you or they have some disadvantage, then there is an exchange policy too. So you can definitely check that out. And let us go back to the site where we were talking about to check how the products are there and whether it offers the same things or not. This is the site out here we are talking about. This is phonezone.ae. And in this site, you get to see n number of brands in these categories, in these gadgets, in these reputed brands out here. As well as when we talk about this website, you get to see 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy already there. As well as COD and free shipping is additional factor to this. Now you get to have a COD delivery out there as well as free shipping out there. Then you get to have 48 hours timing. Yes, for most parts of UAE, the delivery timing is 48 hours, whereas in Saudi it might take up to a week. Whereas when we talk about pricing, this site offers you one of the best price, yes, best price for your favorite gadgets out there. As well as when we talk about order placement, you can place either online or on call. Any type of placement can be done. For best pricing, do check out the website. The search icon helps you to search a favorite gadget. As well as if you want like to search any other gadget, you can let us know and you can search on the website too. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.